It's September, and that means it's time to take a look at the market data for Orange County single-family homes and look at inventory, days on market, and sales price so that we can see what the trends are telling us about what's going to happen towards the last quarter of 2024.
I'm Kiwi of the Coast, the agent with the most.
This is Kiwi the Coast, helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Let's dive into that Orange County single family home data. 1286, that's the new listings for the prior month. It dropped only slightly, 1282. That's insignificant. That means we've got the same number of new listings coming onto the market every month. We haven't seen that big tick up in new listings, so still tough for buyers out there. Before we look at the number of actual sales, closings, always good to look and see what is transacting. Now, in the prior month, 816, that was the number of homes going under contract. Well, it dropped significantly for the month of August into the 600s. So that means there was a slowdown, and that parallels what's been happening at the beach. Sales 1106 for the prior month, that's the actual closings, and it dropped to a little over 1,000 for the month of August. So the closings did slow down slightly, and again, this is indicative of what had been happening 30 to 45 days prior. So buyers, perhaps they're not transacting quite as fast because they are waiting for those interest rates to drop. It is going to be interesting as we head towards the end of the year. Days on market, it was really tight last month for single family homes Orange County at 22 homes, but it increased slightly to 27. Now, why is that? Because it's always been relatively low. Homes transacting very fast in Orange County. Well, we're approaching 1 month. So those homes are sticking on the market a little longer. And that could be because the prices have been a little high and they've had to be adjusted so that they transact. So it's been taking a little longer for those homes out there to attract the right buyer. And I suspect that's what's happening. Active listings, 2786 last month, climbing to over 2,900 for Orange County for the month of August. Now, let's take a look a year ago and see how that compares. Well, good news is 2,942 comparing to a year ago, around 2,100. If you look at the chart behind me, that is good news. So the inventory has slowly been creeping up, and that's good overall, but we still are lacking a huge amount of inventory to have a balanced market. It should be closer to 6,000, and we're only just approaching 3,000. Average list price, is it up or down? Well, 2.28 last month, dropping slightly into the 2.1s for the month of August. So average list, you know, it's not too bad. Still a big price for a single family home. And this is, of course, the average in the Orange County area. Average sales price, well, $1.9 million in the prior month, but there's been quite a significant change. The average sales price dropping to 1.78 plus or minus. So when you look at the average list price at around 2.1 and the average sales price at 1.78, that means there's a lot of negotiating that can happen between active listings and what you're willing to offer to secure that deal. And it looks like that the buyers who are successful have been driving that price down or have been bidding successfully and closing those lower priced homes. The real estate market is constantly changing. Click on the video that's on your screen right now so that I can keep you up to date with inventory, days on market, sales price, and all those factors affecting you and the real estate market. We'll see you on the next video. The Room.